There are a lot of ways really you can make money in Uganda using your smartphone or computer, but not everything that you try really it will be genuine. Many of you've tried a lot of things, some you end up being scammed, but as per now we got NatBuy.com, a free classified marketplace that allows us to sell services and products for free, where the account is free forever. And NatBuy has it's one of the sites that has a great traffic in Uganda, yet it's a new website or application. So the easier way to make money is to find something you can sell online, or any service of yours, or the item of yours, you can sell it on NatBuy. That way, engaging on the online selling, you are going to get good money. That's the only way. Otherwise, to get money, it's all when you have something to sell. That's the genuine way how to make money. So having that, we have NatBuy. Really, you can get use of NatBuy, a free platform that is going to drive you from nowhere to somewhere. And signing up on NatBuy is very easy. Go just put your number and email, that's all, and start selling. NatBuy doesn't take any commission. Your store is you for you. All of the profits are yours. Yeah, you can list up to 2,000 products in this website or application. You can go to natbuy.com, or you can go to Play Store or Apple Store and you search NatBuy. So go on natbuy.com and start enjoying the fruits of online selling. Really, you'll get good money.